Good evening, teacher. Today we are going to explain to you about the Gloria Company project. The members are Alba Zambrano Alexis, Flores Revilla Daniela, Requena Guevara Yasmin, Bustamante Guayama Jonathan, and who is speaking to them Flores Asensio Cynthia. Company Gloria. Describe your company. On February 5, 1941, the General Milk Company incorporated the company Leche Gloria S.A. in the city of Arequipa. That same year, it began the construction of the industrial plant and began on May 4, 1942. The manufacture of Gloria evaporate milk at a rate of 166 boxes per day, totaling 52,000 boxes during the first years of production. Later, General Milk Company Inc. was acquired by Carnation Company and in 1978, Leche Gloria S.A. changed its name to Gloria S.A. Mission and vision. Mission main leadership in each of the market in which they participate through the production of commercialization of good with brands that warranty aid value for their clients and consumers. Ambition to be to a Peruvian capital corporation with a diverse business portfolio with an international presence and projection. Values compliance with obligation, dedication to work, social responsibility, orientation to the person. Sector to which it belongs. The Gloria Group is made up of important companies that operate in various sectors, food, paper, and packaging, and agribusiness. Main activity. Gloria is a company dedicated mainly to the production, marketing, and distribution of dairy products and canned fish. The Gloria Group carries out its activity mainly in the food sector, milk, juice, and dairy products. Likewise, Gloria has been a leading company in the evaporate milk market. So, strength market leadership with high-quality products, highly recognized brands, highly qualified personnel committed to the company, opportunity, positive growth rate in the Peruvian economy, decrease in domestic interest rate tied to increased competition for the banking system. What's next? High sensitivities of the demand for your products, pressures of costs from farmers and certain inputs such as time for and powdering milk. Trade. Increasingly competitive open market, market entry of new substitute products.
I'm Jonathan Bustamante Guayama, and I'm going to talk about the presentation of the project and the scope. Proposal of alternative solutions to problems within the production area of the Gloria Company. After analyzing the Gloria Company's certain deficiencies being detected in the plant production in times where there are moments when the production stops, and which is mainly due to machines breakdowns, despite the fact that many of these breakdowns are correct by maintenance at the time of failure and others later due to preventive maintenance. This entails a great loss of the time caused by stopping the machines. Also, the fact that the systems of efficiency indicators in the production area has lately been presenting inaccurate results and errors. For these reasons, and knowing the main failures that cause the majority of unscheduled stops, as well as the cause that generate not having accurate performance indicator information, this project will present workarounds to eliminate or minimize downtime and more significant issues that we are mentioning. This solution will be improvement focused on yogurt filling machines, which will be focusing create format change procedure to be validated by maintenance, and perform cap fill control with light indication to notify the operator when caps are needed, and when the hopper is filled to stop feeding scabs. And improvement focus on the measurement of the efficiency indicator in real time, which will be focused in detection of machine in operation or stock, and purchase of software measure efficiency indicators. And finally, the scope of this project was developed in order to improve certain production process, specifically the Gloria company's yogurt operations process and performance indicators.
My name is Alexis and my last name is Alba. Benefits of the project: faster and more efficient technical service to achievement better production in the plant. It's for best indicator in production result and establishment of a new system. When you have a new system for production is more faster than the other ones and has to be more efficient. Security in the area. Security in the area, why is so important? Saving time in the production process for better organization in your work. And also the workers feel more comfortable and safe in the company. And it transmit motivation for that. For them. Number 4, reduce time and money in your logistics. This is really important for the management in the company, because when you reduce time and money, that logistic process obviously is more efficient, the management has more capacity. What elements we needed to show that? The main element that will be needed for the project to go as planned are troubleshooting tips. Create a troubleshooting for troubleshooting. Examine relationships. Examine defects. Create producers focused in pubs and examine outputs. Training service for quality standard with respective certification. When the company have certificate for quality standards, best company, if most of workers see that and feel so comfortable and think about, oh, the company have better quality for humans. It's more human than the other company, and feel happy, comfortable, safe, also really important. Implementation of the OEE system, which allow operators and staff to know about production and actions to take. Create the material using the tool proposed by the TPN single point ISO operating standard.
My name is Gloria Daniela. Time it will take to implement. As can be seen, the improvement proposal will be made with last 3 days, the choice of alternative last 5 days, the selection of devices the last 13 days, the purchase of devices the last 91 days, to training, the installation work of devices, the development of the information systems that last 121 days and will be launched on April 18 with a final training that lasts 5 days, being the implementation time of 7 months. The main purposes of the strategic alliance: 1. Carry out the formation of companies that help the competitiveness and strengthen the company. 2. Develop new technologies to improve the productivity of the company. 3. Transfer production knowledge and specialize in the yogurt product for the best competitiveness. 4. Allow optimization of marketing and sales capabilities to enter the new market. 5. Reduce uncertainty and charge risk. 6. Reduce sales and distribution expenses. 7. Acquire from new clients. 8. Eliminate problems and deficiencies in the processes.
My name is Jasmine Requena, and in this opportunity, I am going to talk about the country Chile and its economic indicators that allow us to observe why we choose this country for the strategic alliance. In the next slide, first, I'll start by showing the General Consumer Price Index, CPI, that is 4.8% in August that this year. Also, we talked about the annual variation rate of the CPI in Chile was 3/10 higher than July. Now, I am going to talk about the gross domestic products in the second quarter of 2021 has grown 1% compared to the previous quarter. This rate is 24 times lower than that of the first quarter of this year, when it was 3.4%. In the following graph, we can see the REX report on security, political stability risks, and government effectiveness, where a score of 100 are the risks. We find Chile in the three graphs in the first places, showing the reliability of the country in this year, showing Chile as a safe country to invest in new projects in this slide. Also, we can observe that before and after the project, Gloria has deficiency in operational control. In addition, that there are machines within the company that are not working well and slot failures, which does not allow us to comply with deliveries on time. With our project, we can implement new process for the correct development of Gloria with its clients. And that means also managing the information that must be in a software to take better advantage of the functionalities. Finally, they must meet priorities when they have inventory problems. Thank you.